In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on the weather on Kalshi. So the first thing you will need to do is you'll need to make sure that you open up Kalshi like you normally would, and be sure that you do have funds on your account. If you haven't already, in order to deposit funds, go to the top left, select on these three bars, select on manage funds, and then over there it's going to give you the opportunity to deposit funds using like a bank account, a debit card, etc. But anyways, nonetheless, once you're done with that, in order to begin trading on the weather, you want to go to the top menu right over here and you want to keep on scrolling. So at the moment, of course, the World Cup is going on. So we're able to go ahead and see that, but you just want to go ahead and scroll up until you see climate. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and actually trade on the temperatures. We have daily temperature, hourly temperatures, hurricanes, etc. So this is basically where you're able to go ahead and trade on the weather. Keep in mind that this video is not financial advice. I am merely just showing you how to actually find it and how to begin trading weather. So you can go ahead and begin trading, of course, at your own risk. Be sure to do your own research and you should be good to go. Be sure to always remain responsible. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.